What's up, y'all? Today we're going to work on a 2003 Nissan Altima, and the project is removing the front bumper. This front bumper has been damaged on the passenger side. As you can tell, there's no headlights on the passenger side. So we're going to remove this front bumper and then replace it with a new one. First thing you're going to do is pop the hood. Next, you're going to raise the hood. Next step is to remove these tabs that's holding down the bumper from under the hood. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And basically you can get a flathead or one of these pry bars like this, and you're going to shove them underneath, get it underneath it, and then just pry it up. Sometimes they can be pretty difficult to pry up, but you're just going to have to work at it. And that's what the tab looks like. Once you pull these tabs down, they lock in place. There's another one. And then you just go and follow around the area. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. And don't worry, if you were to break one of these, you can always go online and purchase these tabs, or you can go to your nearest auto parts store. Now for the top grill, you can remove the top grill from the bumper, and I recommend you doing that because you're going to switch that over to the new bumper. So once you've taken the tab off from the top, you're going to go from the inside, and there's going to be some tabs that you have to pinch to remove from the bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch that out, and then once I get it off, I will show you close up of where those pinch tabs are. Alright, so on the back of this, as you can see right here, here's one, here's another one, number 3. So you just press on it and it pinches out, and then there's 4. So close up, where that grill pinches in is right here to the bumper, here, here, and here. So from underneath the bumper, this vehicle has been scraped and run over a few things. So usually there's some clips along the very bottom of the bumper holding this cover to the motor, the bottom motor. So, but right here they lost the screws and clips, so they actually screwed in some regular screws into this. So I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and go ahead and remove all these screws. These are the screws that the last owner of the vehicle replaced the clips and the screws that goes to the original motor. Since they lost it, this is what they used to replace it. And these screws are basically made for like drywall, whatnot. It's not very automotive, but I guess it works. Right here is the original screws that actually go to the vehicle. And we're going to go ahead and loosen that out. Original screws. So next we're going to take these bolts off from the side, and you just pull the wheel cover off to the side, and you can see right there is a 10mm, and there's going to be two, one right here at the end, and then there's one's going to be further inside, and so just take those two out. So on the passenger side, the same goes for removing the bolts, the 10mm that goes to the fender. This is the one that's in the inside, and then there's one right here that goes from the outside. But because this bumper has been damaged, that part doesn't exist. So first we're going to take this 10mm off. And that's the 10mm bolt that goes into here, a screw. And then the other one, you're going to have to kind of dig your way inside to get to it. Once you remove that bolt of the screw, I'll show you this. This is the bracket that holds from the bottom of the bumper to the bumper to the fender, so it can have a heavy duty withstand and mount. So we're just going to go ahead and pull this off. So now all the bolts and clips are disconnected from the bumper. We're going to go ahead and pull the bumper off the vehicle. Now, this Altima has fog lights, so when we pull it off, we're going to have to disconnect the harness from the fog lights. So right here you see the fog lights. So basically you're just going to pinch it and disconnect. And that will disconnect that fog light. That was the passenger side. Now we will disconnect the driver's side fog lights. So just pinch it and disconnect. And here's a close-up of the fog light in the back. And this is the harness that connects to the fog lights. Once you've disconnected everything, fog lights, clips, screws, bolts, now you can just take the bumper away. And there you have it. That's the bumper removed. Looking at the vehicle with the bumper off. Again, remember near the fender there's going to be two on both sides. Going all the way around. There will be clips and screws at the bottom holding the bumper to the engine bottom cover, and there will be clips on the very top holding the grill and the bumper to the vehicle bracket, and then work your way around to the driver's side, and then there will be 2 more on the fenders. And that is how you remove the front bumper on a 2003 Nissan Altima. If this was helpful and you liked it, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I will be posting more videos. If there's any videos that you're curious about how to work on what on a vehicle, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want me to show you, and I can get it done. Thank you.